Alright guys, I'm Mr. Andrews got a Ryan Braun baseball card, 9/11. Type live. We are live. 9/11. And 9/11. Sorry, I forgot to click back. We'll grab our list at 10 spots. And we will drop that into random. We have 10 entries. There we go, 10 entries. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. 8's good. Here we go. 8 times. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is 8. Next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats, Jason. Spot number 10. You are the winner. Get in touch with Andrew. He will get that out to you. 9/12. We will go back. We will type done. We are done. 9/12. 9/12. Verification. Timestamp.